welcome to my vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is what my camper looks like now. Take a look. Now very soon, hopefully, I'm going to have a complete new inside. It's going to be painted. It's going to look awesome, but it is going to take a little while. So I'm going to kind of just keep you updated a little bit with how this goes. Might have some exciting news as well, but that's coming up in a few weeks' time, fingers crossed. Okay, so yeah, please guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go and do it. It means so much. It would be amazing. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by kind of the end of April. So it would be awesome. Your help would be so much appreciated. A thumbs up would be great too, and please turn on the bell notification and I'll keep you updated with everything that's going on with the camper van. There will be loads more videos coming up on this channel in the next few weeks. Keep watching guys. Thanks so much for your time. Cheers. Bye.